Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we're taking the kids to one of the world's premier culinary schools, the CIA. The Culinary Institute of America, or the CIA, is located in beautiful Hyde Park, New York, bordering the Hudson River. The CIA is a private college dedicated to developing the leading chefs in the world. CIA offers master's, bachelor's, and associate's degrees with majors in culinary arts, baking, pastries, and hospitality. The CIA campus is breathtakingly beautiful. We walk the halls where pictures hang of their famous alumni chefs, like our hometown Cleveland boy Michael Simon. There's Todd English, David Burke, Kat Cora, Roy Choi, the late great Anthony Bourdain, and artist chef Grant Achatz from one of our all-time favorite dining experiences and past Doodle the Travel Bug episode, Alinea. Today we have reservations for the Taste Like a Chef class. It's $15 a person and classes sell out quickly. Taste Like a Chef is a hands-on guide into the science of taste. It's part lecture, part tasting, led by current students of CIA. The class helped us develop a deeper understanding of flavor profiles. One of our experiments was how sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami enhance food. We were given grapes as the main course, with sugar, salt, lime, and hot sauce. What do you think we're gonna do?
Make something.
Did you eat hot sauce? Did you eat hot sauce?
Maybe a little bit.
We were given grapes as the main course with sugar, salt, lime, and hot sauce to enhance the said grapes. The classroom collectively guessed sugar would be the best topper, but salt really brought out the grape sweetness, so the next time you serve a fruit bowl, pass the salt. After exploring the art of flavor, we get a tour of the school. We explored classrooms that are really just state-of-the-art kitchens. We also peeked into many of the fine dining restaurants run by students and open for reservations. Hey guys, does this school kind of remind you of somewhere? Hogwarts, exactly. It reminds me of Hogwarts. Look at this is the Great Hall. This is where they'd eat. This is the student dining hall. Does this not remind you of Hogwarts? Come on, this is crazy. Who gets to go to school here? When our tour finished, we perused the gift shop, then headed across campus to the student common area and the Egg. This is also a student-run dining hall that serves authentic barbecue, artisan pizzas, pastries, and a classroom brewery that teaches future brewmasters, and we get to taste their progress. How did the students do?
Really good.
Good. Do you think the students did good making your pizza?
It's not the best pizza I ever had.
Well, then they have more schooling, huh? Yep. What about you, Jim? Anything good here?
They definitely get an A in bacon jalapeno mac and cheese class.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Is some tasty stuff.
We got poison chicken pizza. We finished dinner with a taste from the pastry department's work, and it's incredible. Touring the Culinary Institute of America is an enriching experience for anyone passionate about the culinary arts, or even a 7-year-old who would eat nothing but pancakes if you let him. We all found the students' dedication of culinary excellence inspiring.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.